Hey guys, this is Steve, and welcome to our review of the 2022 Trek Marlin 8. Watch until the end to know our final verdict on whether it's worth the purchase. The 2022 Trek Marlin 8 is a race-worthy hardtail mountain bike that you'll not need to break the bank to buy. It features a wide range of drivetrain gears, smooth and lightweight RockShox fork, and tubeless-ready wheels to make it a fast cross-country hardtail bike that can compete even with the higher-end race bikes. It's built with a light aluminum frame with internal cable routing to give it a clean, sleek look. The wide range of 11 to 50 cassettes provides you with enough gears to choose from to help you easily tackle the climbs and descents. It's a versatile bike that also comes with a rear rack mount that you can use when you want to turn this bike into a commuter bike. The tubeless-ready wheels help to reduce the overall weight of the bike, which increases your control of the bike, and also helps to reduce the chance of getting a flat while out on the trails. The small frame sizes from extra small to small have a curved top tube with a lower standover height, which is perfect for smaller riders to make it easier for them to mount and dismount. What we liked: size-specific frame and components, tubeless rims and tires, sleek and cool red color, RockShox air fork with rebound adjust and lockout. What we didn't like: no through axles, no dropper post routing. Specifications: as per the specs, the Marlin 8 is a capable bike that can easily handle both flat and rough terrain. The tubeless-ready tires are lighter for better control and grip. Features: frame. The frame comes in 8 sizes, from extra small to extra large, with the extra small to small frame sizes having a lower standover height, with the rims at 27.5 inches, even the stem, the brake rotors that are 60mm compared to 90mm, or 180mm on the larger sizes. This means you can get the right bike size according to your height. The frame also features internal cable routing, disc brake mount, mounts for racks, mudguard and kickstand, and QR dropouts. Fork. The RockShox Judy Silver with a solo air spring, rebound adjustment, lockout, and 100mm travel. The air spring suspension allows you to adjust the suspension according to your weight, and it's much lighter than a coil spring. You can also fine-tune the fork according to the terrain you're riding on for the day, and the lockout feature allows you to lock out the suspension when riding on flat terrain or climbing to give you more efficient pedaling. Drivetrain. The Marlin 8 uses the SRAM SX Eagle drivetrain with a single chainring up front, and just because it's a single 1X system, it doesn't mean you lose on the gearing since it's an SRAM SX Eagle. This means that the crank, cassette, and chain come with 12-speed gearing that gives you a wide range of gears to play with depending on the terrain. The crank is size-specific depending on your arm length. However, this 1X drivetrain isn't the best for riding on tarmac since it doesn't have a lot of high gears, and because it was designed to be a mountain bike. Wheel set. The hubs on this bike are Formula DC20, which are quality hubs, and the rims are Bontrager Covey double wall that are strong and durable, and are tubeless ready, so you can ride faster even at low pressure and not worry about getting a flat. The tires are Maxxis Ardent Race Tubeless Ready, giving you a tubeless ready wheel set. The front tire is a wide 2.35-inch tire, while the rear has a narrower 2.20-inch tire, which gives your front tire more traction than the rear to help you recover easier and faster from a tire skid. Verdict. So is the 2022 Trek Marlin 8 an ideal bike? Yes, it's a great mountain bike because it uses the RockShox air fork that is much lighter and tunable, SRAM SX Eagle 12-speed drivetrain, has better tires that are tubeless ready, and it weighs less than the Marlin 7. Who is it best suited for? If you're an experienced mountain biker or you live close to the hills and want a hardtail you can jump and ride out of the box, the Marlin 8 is a great option. Are there alternatives? Trek Excalibur 7, Marlin 5, Roscoe 8. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Also, let us know which other mountain bike you would like us to review next.